Hi everyone, welcome to Southern Delight. I'm Debbie here, and today I have one of the coolest projects to show you. It's another one of my DIY projects. I just like to do these sometimes just as a challenge for me because they're just so much fun, and I'm a crafter, and when I go through that store I just start putting all kinds of stuff together. Well, this is one that I think is probably the coolest or the grooviest, if that's even still a word you use today, projects ever, because what I've done is I have taken two of the Dollar Tree signs that I picked up. They look like this right here, and I have glued these to a box. I just took a regular little shoe box and I had some floral foam that I also got from the Dollar Tree. Cut me out a little bitty slot here. I actually traced it off and then took my razor blade, cut it out, put the foam down in here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to do a spin off of the second project that I showed you for Valentine's Day, where I created the bouquet made out of candy. We're going to actually make one out of a shoebox and two signs from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you'll just continue watching me so that we can go ahead and get through this project. But what you're going to need, some of the items you'll need, is a balloon from the Dollar Tree, two signs, some foam. I picked up these little floral bouquets. I've actually got two pinks, a white. This is another bouquet that I got from the Dollar Tree just for some greenery. I had some hearts picks here. Let's see. And then I picked up these little wooden sticks here. You can get these also at Walmart if you need to. This is some of the candy that I actually had left over from that project. You can buy these in packages of 12, and then I got some Hershey's, and what I did was I just went ahead and I took and taped these, used some packing tape here, taped them to these little wooden sticks. And let's see, and then also I had some Dollar Tree Valentine's Day ribbon. Went ahead and made one of those trusty little bows that I've got, and I'll download that video below on how to make one of these bows, also in my little description thing there. I'll give you a link to that. But I went ahead and I've got this one already pre-started for us. And like I said, I just took regular little shoebox, traced out. They come in the foam comes in like packages of 4. What I did was I set it down in there, traced out the little part, and I took my razor blade and trimmed it out. So, and I'm using 2 sets of those. So I've got them stacked on top of one another. The balloon here, the Dollar Tree usually has those little, they already come with the little sticks here. Well, this one wasn't long enough, so what I did was I just took one of these wooden sticks, put my balloon on there, and I'm going to go ahead and center it to use this as the center. And as you can see, it's like I have like a little base here to go ahead and get my arrangement going. But this right here, the balloon actually has a tag on it because I was going to use like either one could be the front. But you're going to have to watch it on this project because it does have a tag there, so this is going to have to be the back. So we'll go ahead and get started. And I went ahead and I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Reese's cups. We've got 1, 2, 3 Hershey's. You can use as many as you want for this project. This is just what I've laid out for myself. But I went ahead and got those on the sticks. The tissue paper that I got from the Dollar Tree, I went ahead and cut out some little square pieces that you're going to need for this project. And I took the bouquets and I just clipped them off because I want them all to be single. I don't want them all together. And the only one that I kind of kept the same was the little greenery piece. I did clip off the little lavender pieces of it. Clip those separate. Alright, so I've got the greenery. We're going to put him dead center like this because we want some greenery in this project. Okay, got that in there. Then I'm going to start arranging it with some of the candy and just doing as I would if I had a flower arrangement going on here. I'm going to put some of those Reese's here. Do some of the Hershey's. Probably. I'm going to push the Hershey's down just a little bit shorter. Pull these up. I got some of the pinks and whites, and you don't necessarily have to use the same colors that I'm using, but see there what I'm doing? I got two of the whites there, a Hershey's and a Reese's cup going. We're going to take and add the pink probably toward the front. And we're going to take right here and do a pink in the middle there. I do have some of the pinks that I did a little extension on with a little wooden thing. I'm going to do these out on the side, right in between the white here. I'll lay those out there. I start doing, I think for fullness, this isn't getting the fullness that I really want. Let me try to start replacing some of these. The Hershey's, we're going to start using some of the tissue paper on here because this is going to need some, it definitely has to have some fullness. I'm not going to use the tissue paper on the flower part, just on the candy pieces here. We're going to go and add the tissue like I did on that project there to add some fullness. Take it, twist, and then put it in our arrangement there. There we go. I think that's much better. And let's replace this one. We'll take that and twist it. You don't necessarily have to put tissue on every one of these. I just use it for kind of fullness in the arrangement. I'm going to add, let's see, what do I want up front? I think I want some Reese's up here. I'm going to cut these little guys. This one, let's cut him down. I need him shorter. We're going to do two Reese's cups, about the same length. Cut them in half. Do our Reese's. I'm going to spin this around to show you what I got. Put this in here. And see what this tissue does here? It fills it in so you don't see all that ugly foam and so forth. Now you just keep going. We're going to size these down a little bit. Cut them in half. I'm just going to keep going with it. And like I said, you can fill these as full as you'd like. This one that I cut down, I'm going to do another one. I knew I didn't have enough. Let's get one of these tissues. I'll just keep going with this. We've got two more Reese's. I'll cut this one. Let's see, that's a short one. Use some red tissue here. That's what it's looking like around there. Now we're going to get our cute little hearts out and start putting those. Do these on the edge here. Look at that little square I had cut out in the bottom. I'm doing hearts on each of the little edges there. Go back, and we're going to add 2 more of these Hershey's. Back on the front here, I'm going to add some more of these too. Like I said, I'll let this be up to your discretion on how full you want it and so forth. I didn't do every one. Like I said, and some people may want to add some different types of candy. You could use beef jerky, or that's what my husband usually loves. I've done some arrangements with fishing lures. I'd put like in the bottom of the little glass jars like this, and then I would take fishing lures and put them on the sticks and do arrangements that way. They make really cute ones. And then what I did was that trusty little bow. I'll put that in the link below too on how to make one of these. Just got some Dollar Tree ribbon and made the bow. I took the little heart, run it through the bow here, and we're going to actually take this and put it in the front of this arrangement. I'm just going to take it here and stick it down. Like that. Oh, I got one more piece of chocolate here. I'm just going to keep going with this. And we really need some more chocolate. Let's take some of this. Stick that down the side there. We got some light little hearts. We're just going to keep filling in. So I don't want little bare spots. That didn't look as good. Oh, as well as I thought. can keep adding. I got some more flowers left. Stick some more of these flowers in here to make it full. There. These make great little centerpieces as well. We want some more pinks. You can see that, but there you have it. I'm so tickled over this little project. Like I said, 2 signs in a box. Who knew that you can make this gorgeous, gorgeous candy arrangement for Valentine's Day? But voila, there you are. And if you like this, if you will, leave me some comments below and check on that like box. And also don't forget to subscribe. But until next time, see ya.